Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lauren and I'm going to show you, we're on the Disney Wish and I'm going to show you that they have a fun activity to do for you yourself or your children on the Disney Wish, and I'm sure other cruises as well. But we're going to go get my daughter's hair braided, so if you're interested, let's come on. Alright, so this is the pricing, which I think is pretty reasonable. You're doing a great job.
I've been all around the world, every city.